Nuclear pollution essay. Essay on nuclear pollution for students and children in English. Nuclear pollution, also known as radioactive pollution, is a type of environmental pollution that occurs when radioactive materials are released into the environment either through accidents or intentional action. The impact of nuclear pollution can be far-reaching and long-lasting, with serious implications for human health and the environment. This essay, we will explore the issue of nuclear pollution in detail. Types of nuclear pollution. Nuclear pollution can take many forms, including atmospheric contamination. This occurs when radioactive materials are released into the air, either through accidents at nuclear power plants or through intentional actions such as nuclear testing. Water contamination. This occurs when radioactive materials are released into water bodies, either through accidents at nuclear power plants or through intentional actions such as dumping of nuclear waste into the ocean. Soil contamination. This occurs when radioactive materials are deposited in the soil, either through accidents or intentional actions such as dumping of nuclear waste. Causes of nuclear pollution. Nuclear pollution is caused by a range of factors, including accidents at nuclear power plants. One of the most significant causes of nuclear pollution is accidents at nuclear power plants. When these accidents occur, radioactive materials can be released into the environment, leading to contamination of the air, water, and soil. Nuclear testing. Another significant cause of nuclear pollution is nuclear testing. When nuclear bombs are detonated, they are release large amounts of radioactive materials into the atmosphere, leading to atmospheric contamination. Improper disposal of nuclear waste. Improper disposal of nuclear waste is another significant cause of nuclear pollution. When nuclear waste is not disposed of properly, it can seep into the soil and water, leading to contamination of the environment. Impacts of nuclear pollution. The impacts of nuclear pollution can be far-reaching and long-lasting. Some of the most significant impacts include health impacts. Exposure to radioactive materials can have serious health impacts, including cancer, birth defects, and other illnesses. These impacts can be felt by both humans and other living organisms. Environmental impacts. Nuclear pollution can have significant environmental impacts, including damage to ecosystems and the disruption of the food chain. For example, fish that are contaminated with radioactive materials can pass these materials on to the other animals that eat them. Economic impact. Nuclear pollution can also have significant economic impacts, including damage to industries such as fishing and tourism, as well as the cost associated with cleaning the up contaminated areas. Mitigating the impacts of nuclear pollution. While the impacts of nuclear pollution can be significant, there are actions that can be taken to mitigate these impacts. Some of these actions include improving safety at nuclear power plants. One of the most effective ways to mitigate the impacts of nuclear power pollution is to improve safety at nuclear power plants. This can be done through measures such as better training for workers, improved safety protocols, and better design of nuclear power plants. Proper disposal of nuclear waste. Proper disposal of nuclear waste is also essential for mitigating the impacts of nuclear pollution. This can be done through measures such as storage in secure facilities, and the development of safer methods for disposing of nuclear waste, reducing the use of nuclear energy. Another way to mitigate the impacts of nuclear pollution is to reduce the use of nuclear energy. This can be done through measures such as transitioning to renewable energy sources and improving energy efficiency. Conclusion. In conclusion, nuclear pollution is a significant environmental and public health issue that can have far reaching and long lasting impacts. While there are actions that can be taken to mitigate the impacts of nuclear pollution, it is essential that we work to prevent accidents at nuclear power plants and develop safer methods for disposing of nuclear waste. By taking these actions, we can help to protect both human health and the environment from the dangers of nuclear pollution.